Not everyone learns from a desk. Some of us learn by building, fixing, and creating. Welcome to Auto Body, where damaged cars get a second chance and students build real skills for the future. Here, we don't just talk about hard work, we live it. From metal repair to paint jobs, every project is hands-on. We learn the tools, the technology, and the techniques used by professionals in the industry. And seeing the transformation, that's the best part. It's more than a class, it's teamwork, pride, and real-world experience. Auto Body. Build skills, build confidence, build your future.